Hey y'all, hey, would you like to see how I got this beautiful bronze glittery eyeshadow look? Well, make sure that you stay tuned because I will be showing you step by step how to achieve this look, y'all. Okay, you guys, so I've already primed and you just see me just patting that primer in, and I primed with that Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Prime in shade number 2. And now I am just taking a brown eyeshadow color from the LA Colors Lemon Drop palette, and I am placing that all over my lid, and this is going to be the base for my brown glitter that I'm going to be placing down after this. And next, you guys, I'm just going to take a blending brush and I'm just going to blend that brown eyeshadow out, blend it into the crease and diffuse it to take away that harsh line that the packer brush made while I was packing on that brown eyeshadow. Still blending, y'all. You want to make sure that blend is seamless. Next, you guys, I am taking the NYX Glitter Glue Primer and I am placing that all over the lid because I will be placing glitter all over the lid. So I want to make sure that I give it something to stick to and make sure that it stays on all day. Now, you guys, I'm starting with the brush, but I will soon be switching right here to the finger. I just feel like my finger packs on the glitter a lot better than the brush did. The brush is more so used for detailing, but the finger, I noticed, is really good when it comes to packing glitter on. Unless you have one of those little silicone brushes, then that'll be good as well if you're not comfortable with using your fingers. But I don't have a silicone brush. I probably did have one a while ago, but I don't got it now, so my fingers will do just as fine. These are God-given tools that I have right here, so I will be using that to pack on this bronze glitter from the Pro Bold Kleancolor glitter palette. And I got this from my local beauty supply store, y'all, and it was $9.99. Yes, $9.99. Next, this is just me detailing, making sure that I get some glitter in that inner corner, and I'm just using the brush and patting on a little bit more of that glitter. And actually, I'm taking the brush and packing into areas where maybe a lot of glitter didn't get stuck onto, and I'm just using it to just detail it and make it a little bit crisp. Next, the little trick that I want to do right here is there is some glitter that got at the top, and I'm just blending it out, you guys. Now, y'all, I am putting on my lashes, and these are, of course, my beauty supply store lashes that I love oh so much. And before I put on my foundation, I just want to dust away that glitter that, you know, had that little fallout under my eyes. And y'all, I was on the phone with my friend Jamie, and we was just talking, you know, girl talk. You know how when you get on the phone with your good friend and y'all get to talking? Y'all, we was talking. Next, you guys, I am taking this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and I am going to start out by highlighting under my eyes. With this concealer, as soon as you place it down, you got to go ahead and blend that baby out because she dries down quick. She dries down quick. So I'm just going to take my time and blend out each under eye as soon as I place the concealer down. And I'm putting some down the middle of my nose, and I'm going to the under eye of my other eye as well, y'all. because like I said, you gotta hurry up and blend this out because she will dry down on you and you won't be able to blend it out. That's all I can say about it. So let me go ahead and do my nose first because I placed the concealer there first, and then I'll move on to my under eye. Okay, y'all, and I'm taking a brush, a bigger buffing brush, and just making sure that I buff in that concealer. Make sure that it's blended in seamlessly to my skin. Next, y'all, I'm going to be taking my black Opal foundation stick in the shade Suede Mocha, and I am going to be sculpting my cheeks. And now, you guys, on the places where I did not put the concealer and the contour, I am going to be placing my foundation, and this is the CoverGirl TruBlend Matte Made Foundation. Y'all know I love this foundation. I love it, I love it, I love it. So I'm going to place that in all the areas where there is no contour and no concealer. Now, you guys, I am setting my under eye concealer, and I am using the Crayon Case Chalk Dust Setting Powder in the letter N. Y'all already know I love this setting powder. It is chocolate girl friendly, no flashback. Just love it. Now, you guys, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder Foundation, and I am just setting my face as well as dusting away the rest of that setting powder that was under my eyes, and just making everything come into one. Making sure that, you know, my face just looks seamless, looks perfect. Just set and making sure that I set everything in so it does not move. Next, I am taking my MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation in NW48, and I am just contouring my nose. And y'all, I have finally mastered my nose contour like I want to, and I just would like to give all thanks to Savannah Silver for teaching me this trick, y'all. Thank you, girl. And now, y'all, you already know the vibes. I am taking my black Radiance contour palette, and I am just setting that contour and just making sure I chisel out my cheeks just a little bit more. Give me a little bit more, you know, slimming action on this face. And now, you guys, I am using my LA Colors liquid eyeliner just to make sure that I bring back out my moles, because y'all know I love my moles. And I'm also just going to place it on a couple of spots because Flo is coming in this month and she is wreaking havoc on my face. So y'all know how hormonal acne goes if you are a lady. So I'm just placing that on some of the moles that I already have on my face, as well as on just a couple of the little marks that, you know, have started peeking through on my face from hormonal acne. And now you guys, I want a little bit of glow. So I'm going to be taking the Crayon Case on a Roll highlighter. This is one of my favorite highlighters, y'all, and I'm just bringing some glow back to this face. If it's one thing that I love about doing my makeup, is putting that glow on my face, y'all. So I'm just going to be highlighting my cheekbones, as well as the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. And the lip that I am going to be wearing today is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Dubai. Y'all, I got this liquid lipstick in a holiday kit, and y'all, I fell in love. It is a beautiful nude. It reminds me of my MAC lipstick in the shade Stone. I think it's Stone, but it's a little bit softer. It's not as ashy as Stone is, but y'all, I love this nude combo. Well, this nude lip, because there's no other combo that I'm placing with it. It's just this nude lip, and y'all, I love it. Check yourself in the mirror, girl. Check yourself. And now you guys, here is the finished look. I done went and threw on a wig. I have sprayed on my setting spray, which is the Morphe setting spray, Micro Mist setting spray in the black bottle. Y'all, I am in love with how this look came out. I was nervous at first with trying glitter because I'm not a pro, but I know how to do a thing or two, and y'all, I love it. As you can tell, I am really feeling myself, and I am really feeling this wig. Y'all, just look at me. Just look. Look, I love it so much, y'all. This look came out to be everything I wanted and then some. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you guys for coming to my channel. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe.